Hi friends, today I'm going to show you guys how to whiten the teeth in Photoshop. I have already imported an image in Photoshop and right now the tool is selected is the move tool. First of all, I'll select the teeth. Let me zoom in the image by pressing the Ctrl plus key and then I'll select any of the selecting tool. Right now I'll select the quick selection tool. With the quick selection tool, I'll simply click and drag to select the teeth. And then I'll adjust the selection. With the help of Alt key, when I'll press the Alt key, you can see in the cursor the subtract sign appear. It's mean I am subtracting the selection because I do not want to select the gums. And from here I'll deselect the lips and select the teeth. And rest of my selection is fine. Then I'll click here select and mask. When I'll click select and mask, my selected area appear. I'll refine my edges with the help of select and mask. I'll make the edges smooth and add little bit feather and shift my edges to something like 10% and increase the feather. And here I want to subtract this area slightly and from bottom. By holding down the Alt key, I'll add the area and now I'll select it from here and rest of the image is fine. And the output to set to selection and then press OK. And then I'll go to the adjustment layer and click on the Hue Saturation. And with the help of this icon hand picker tool, I'll set my color to something like. Now I am adjusting the color and the color is applied only on the selected area. You can see the saturation value is decreasing. Now you can see the before and after difference. And then I'll go to the adjustment layer and add the curves and increase the light value. Looking much better. And then I'll select this mask and by holding down the Alt key, I'll drag it to my above layer, contrast layer and replace the mask, and I have replaced the mask from the bottom layer. Now you can see the difference before and after. Now let me zoom in the image a little bit. You can see here in the top area some yellowish part is still appearing. I'll fix it by creating a new layer and bring the layer to the above the background layer, and then I'll select the healing brush tool, or I can also press the shortcut key for selecting the healing brush and sample all layers or current and below layer is selected. I'll select the all layers. Now I'll sample the nearest part which I want to sample the color. I'll press the Alt key and then select to the bottom area a little bit where I am seeing the yellowish part. I'll apply. You can see here the hardness of my brush is 0. Then again I'll sample the color and apply here slightly. Okay, looking much better. Now I'll decrease the opacity if I want. In my case, I'll little bit decrease the opacity to something like 80%. Let me zoom out the image by pressing the Ctrl 0 key. Now you can see the before and after difference. The yellowish part completely disappears. I hope this tutorial will help you, and if you want to ask anything regarding this tutorial, then please leave a comment. We'll reply you as soon as possible, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay connected with us. See you in the next tutorial.